Bike crank removal and install. Crank puller usage. Removal. 1. Remove crank nut with appropriate sized socket and wrench. 2. Unscrew center section of crank puller until almost removed from outer section. 3. Hand tighten outer section of crank puller into crank arm. Be careful not to cross-thread it. 4. Tighten center section by hand and then by wrench until the crank arm comes loose. 5. Remove crank puller from crank arm. Installation. 1. Crank puller not used during installation. 2. Install crank arm so that pedals are 180 degrees opposite each other. 3. Install crank nut by hand and hand tighten while making sure not to cross-thread it. 4. Tighten crank nut with appropriate size socket and wrench.